Start. In view of this, the High Court, the single bench presided over by Justice Vinod Divakar, has directed the District Magistrate Bhadohi to file a counter affidavit before the next date of hearing, specifically addressing the reasons for the inordinate delay in deciding the petitioner's application for grant of arms license and what was the legal and administrative impediment in not complying with the mandate of Rule 13 of the Arms Rule 2016 para. The High Court has directed the Commissioner Appellate Authority under the Arms Act 1959 to file a personal affidavit justifying the circumstances under which the appeal filed under a considerable delay was entertained without recording any finding on limitation or condonation of delay and why the appeal was not decided in a time bound manner. Para. In the opinion of the High Court, as this High Court is burdened with a large number of petitions of this nature, it has become necessary to take a holistic perspective of the broader issues involved in the cases related to the Arms Act 1959 para. The High Court has noted that the social reality presents a different picture in certain regions, particularly in rural and semi urban areas. Firearm ownership is often perceived as a symbol of power, masculinity, or social influence. At times, persons with political ambitions or questionable backgrounds used licensed weapons to project authority, cultivate a dominant image, and indirectly intimidate others, thereby fostering an atmosphere of fear. The display of arms on social media platforms, including Reels, is also used to seek attention, gain social validation, and reinforce identity through the amplification of gun culture. Para. Misuse of firearm contributes to a culture of fear rather than adherence to the rule of. It undermines public confidence in legal institutions and normalizes violence within society. The issue is not merely legal but has significant sociological implications affecting the psyche of the common citizen. Para. It has been also noticed by the court that in a significant number of cases multiple members of a family such as wife, husband, son, daughter and daughter-in-law hold individual arms licenses and in some instances even possess more than one weapon each. Such a practice requires serious judicial scrutiny. Accordingly, all the district magistrates have been directed to provide the district wise and police station wise details of firearms along with their descriptions, rifle, pistol, or revolver, etc., possessed by individuals. Para. This information was also required that in how many cases the family members hold separate arms licenses. In view of the High Court, it is pertinent to note that unregulated discretion creates scope for corruption and misuse of authority in a parliamentary democracy. Unchecked discretionary power within institutions poses a threat to the rule of law and to the procedure established by law. The High Court has posted this writ petition for further consideration and orders on April 28, 2026.